So, have you noticed that the Earth is warming? That is because of global warming. It seems like a good thing because it would be like, yay, warmer day, super fun, but it's not. It's horrible. So the things you use in your cars and to power a lot of your stuff is called fossil fuels. And not only are we going limited on these resources, but they are releasing a lot, like huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the air, and is causing deforestation and global warming. And with all this coming, you might think, well, why would that be like bad? Well, the warmth is coming down, and some species of animals can't really like survive in this. So it's probably mostly leading to the mass extinction. And so we ourselves are burning ourselves to extinction. So what it does is it warms the earth and melts the ice caps, and it's a bad thing. All this carbon dioxide is getting released into our atmosphere, and some of it escapes, but some of it gets bounced back at us, and the whole world is receiving lots of warmth. The effects of this is, like I said, it getting like too hot, animals that need certain temperatures probably dying out, and it is a bad thing. And there's only a few ways that we could possibly stop it. It could cause all the polar ice caps to melt, like the perennial ice, which is the ice that is always there, is melting because of this global warming, and a huge chunk of a huge glacier has fallen off. And with this, only the seasonal ice, so the ice that comes every season, will be left over. Scientists know because they have went and observed for themselves. So scientists have gone on voyages to on cruise ship things to the Arctic, and they have seen it for themselves how it is affecting the glaciers and the animals. And like I said, we are not the only ones being affected. For example, we have been melting the polar ice cap, and some glaciers, and we have been releasing diseases that have been meant to stay there. And so, we are releasing new diseases that are not very identified into the wild, and it has affected some seals, but thankfully, it has, the seals were able to fight it off, and it has been found in house cats, whales, seals. They are called toxoplasma and psychrotisis, if I remember, pinipedi or something. And we don't really know what they do yet, and we don't know how dangerous they could be, but they're being released in big waves, and they're coming. And also, when the water gets warmer, you know how it goes in currents on the ocean, that is going to start to stop happening, and there's not going to be certain temperatures of water moving certain places, and that is bad. And another example is this lizard. I forgot what they're called, but the females are developed in colder weather, and the males are developed in warmer weather. Now, with the warmer weather coming, there are more males than females, and this is bad because it's making more of an unstable balance. You see, if there are not many females, and plus females in this species are very cowardly, so they would run off, and they don't like the males. And that's bad, but my closing thoughts are, this is a real thing, and we can't push it away just to the side. We can save this, we can start using better natural stuff, but we are burning our way to extinction.